Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix poor quality on Netflix mobile. So to start, go ahead and open Netflix app. Now once you're on Netflix, go to your profile at the bottom right. So click My Netflix, then click your name at the top left. So once you click your profile, click on App Settings at the bottom. Now from here, go to Video Playback and click Cellular Data Usage. Now make sure this one is set to automatic. Next, go back. Now, if you see HDR playback below cellular data usage, make sure that is turned on too. Now, go to downloads and pick or open video quality. And from here, if it is set to standard, make sure you choose higher. So once you click higher, it uses more storage, but the video is now on highest quality possible. And that's basically it. So again, just click My Netflix at the bottom right and go to your name at the top left. Then go to App Settings. Then go to Video Quality and set it to higher. And open Cellular Data Storage and set it to automatic. And that's it. Thank you for watching.